Hello, beautiful souls. I am Awakened Soul, and today we're going to be reviewing Bitcoin and its next move as it's squeezing to make a move that is incoming. I use the RSVVB indicator, really cool indicator. If you look at it in the 4 hours, I mean, just looking at it, right, it's getting pretty tight there. So big momentum coming. So what I'm looking at right now is on the weekly, we noticed one touch, two touches. Weeklies are orange. We're gonna get the lowest price action, right? The lowest price action could be found by your pivot highs and low indicator. Great indicator. Just mark your a vertical line here, and right where it intersects, that's where you want to mark your target. So this is our weekly target. So we definitely could come to 25. This is 26,270. Okay. Earlier I had a, let me change it to orange, and I hope you're having a beautiful day. So just based on that, like I said, it looks pretty promising to come and tap that weekly target. If I go into my daily, we have a visual megaphone, and using my pivot high, my higher high lower low indicator that I use, I overlap two of them to help me and guide me to set, nice trend lines here. There you go. We have this huge megaphone at play. So definitely could be confluence to 1, 2, 3, right? Market makers like to work in 3 to get that third hit to the top. Another thing that I noticed was on our 4 hour, when I pulled an extended fib here from this low to this high to this low, that right where the target is hitting is our right above the golden pocket target. So this would be an amazing target just based on that too. Golden pocket target. I also had a trend line going here. So if you Google this, it's an ascending bear flag. Ascending bear flags usually give you that 1, 2, 3, 4, and then come down, right? So big possibilities. So how do you consider taking this long? I like to use lower lows, higher highs. I am in a long right now. This is my 4 hour trend line. 4 hour trend lines are critical. Let me just change the color so I could get everything organized here. So 4 hours are always green. So stop loss right under this wick, right? If we roll down, we're coming down. But if we roll to the top, your first target based on a 4 hour break would be based on this lower price action. And if you're having a hard time finding price action, remember pivot highs and lows again. So right where it intersects, you're gonna place your target, and that would be your first target. And move your stop loss above your entry and just let it go to where you think it's going, right? So this is the next setup, big moves coming in. Like I said, you could see it with the RSVVB indicator. Everything's getting nice and tight. 4 hour trend line, daily trend line, they're getting coiled in here. So big move. I mean, either we're gonna shoot up like a ripsaw, and that's what I'm imagining, like, okay, and whoop, come back up, and then we're coming down, guys. So great area. Of course, we could break this support, major support, and if we do, that's a beautiful short that you'll be in too, if we come all the way down to this major megaphone, right? So a megaphone within a little megaphone that's playing right now. And even this huge setup in the daily, I've posted a couple of times, huge megaphone. right? I mean, from this area to this area. And I do update everyone on my Twitter. If you're not following me on my Twitter, go ahead and give me a follow, as look at that, that's going to be a huge megaphone if that target gets hit. As the trades are happening, profile, I am Awakened Soul _ 369, and yes, mantras. But right, like this morning, you know, it was just updates of what I think it's happening. Go ahead and give me a follow. But anyways, that's what I'm looking for, BTC guys. Huge moves coming. You could ride it to the top and catch this beautiful short from this top 2500, 2600, and short it all the way with this megaphone, of course, always setting stop loss above. Or it could break the support, and beautiful short coming. So level to level, and may the force be with you, and remember to do everything with love.